There's no longer a question of why we need to transition to a sustainable future. The questions we need to ask today are how, who, and where do you go to make energy transition? My name is Marc, and I make energy transition at Topsoe. I am a lead operator, and my daily task consists of planning and distributing different working tasks. As an operator, you usually handle the machine, but you also ensure high quality product. You do visual inspections to make sure that the product the machine is producing is up to a certain standard. I actually started off in the oil and gas industry, and I had a good friend of mine who started to have a bit of ties with Topsoe, and when he told me about it and motivated me to figure out, okay, what is Topsoe, what did they do, and how can I be a part of it? My motivation at Topsoe is being part of something bigger. I know that what we are producing and what we will produce has a very high chance of being able to change the world. Knowing that I'm a part of a company which tries to push what is possible with the energy transition and set high goals for themselves and high standards for themselves makes me proud to be a part of Topsoe. If you want to make energy transition, join us at Topsoe.